What if you could create studio-quality music? Without a music studio. Without expensive instruments. Without years of production experience. Just by describing your idea. Welcome to Udio AI. One of the fastest-growing AI music generation platforms that has impressed musicians, YouTubers, filmmakers, and creators worldwide. Some say AI-generated songs sound like they came from a professional recording studio. But how does Udio AI actually work? Can beginners create great music? How is it different from other AI tools? And can it help content creators produce better videos? In this complete guide, you'll learn all about Udio AI. Let's begin. First, what is Udio AI? It's an artificial intelligence music generation platform that creates songs from text prompts. You don't need to compose every note manually, you describe your vision, and the AI transforms it into music. Why did Udio become popular? Traditionally, creating pro music needs songwriting, recording, mixing, mastering, and tech skills. Udio breaks these barriers, letting you quickly experiment with musical ideas. It supports your creativity, not replaces it. Your prompt tells the AI what kind of song you want. Like, a motivational pop anthem with energetic drums, powerful vocals, emotional lyrics, uplifting chorus. The more details, the better the AI gets. Udio covers many genres: pop, rock, hip-hop, electronic, classical, jazz, country, lo-fi, cinematic, and more. Experimenting helps you discover fresh musical directions unique to your style. For YouTube creators, the right soundtrack makes viewers feel excitement, curiosity, suspense, or inspiration. AI music like Udio helps explore intros, background scores, and storytelling soundtracks fast. Filmmakers, especially independents, need custom music for trailers, shorts, and docs. AI-generated music gives a creative head start before finalizing your soundtrack. Game developers require moods like adventure, horror, fantasy, action, or puzzle vibes. AI can prototype soundtracks quickly for diverse gameplay environments. Businesses create ads, promos, launches, and social campaigns. Music drives emotion. AI lets marketing pros try different styles before production, saving time and money. Avoid these common mistakes. 1. Using generic prompts. 2. Ignoring emotional storytelling. 3. Publishing without quality checks. 4. Thinking AI alone makes great music. Your creative touch counts most. Imagine the future: content creators making custom scores in minutes, teachers crafting educational songs, businesses personalizing audio, game devs prototyping instantly. AI speeds up music creation, but human creativity drives connection. Music isn't just sound. It's emotion, memory, energy, storytelling. AI can make melodies. People create meaning. The future belongs to creators blending imagination with smart technology. Udio AI is one step toward that future. Learn the platform. Experiment with prompts. Develop your style. Keep